What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do some easy practice using the trim, extend, and the stretch commands. So basically what we're going to do is take object A, turn it into object B, and take object B and turn it into object C. And it's fairly simple. You guys should probably already know how to do a lot of this. But yeah, if not, we'll walk through it and I'll show you how it's done. So the first thing we're going to do is going to be with this shape here. You need to draw out this rough shade. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know, it just needs to look like this for the most part. Okay. So what we're going to do first is we're going to trim away all these little excess tails here using the trim command. And the way I do that is I type TR for trim, then space, and then I hit space one more time. And allows you to select multiple objects at a time. Now from here, we are going to use the extend command, which is going to be EX. So same thing, I'll do EX space and then space again. And then I'll touch each one of these. Then I'll just use the move command on this and move it up there. And then what's left is this. So again, you'll use the trim command and hit space twice. And you'll just highlight each one of those. And you'll see here that we have object B. So that was all done with the trim and extend command. But what if you get this object done and you realize it needs to be wider? So you don't want to have to redraw the entire thing all over again. So that's where the stretch command comes in. So you can type STR for stretch, and then you just want to highlight all of one side like this. And then you just click on any point and you can stretch it however far you want. Let's go back. Let's say you know you needed this thing to be stretched another 2 inches. So you could draw a line here of 2 inches and then activate your stretch command again. You can click on the base point here. Try that again. Click on your base point there and you can drag it till it snaps to the end of that. And then it's done. Or if you don't want to use this line, again, if you know it needs to be stretched, say 2 inches, you can activate your stretch command, highlight all of that side and hit space, and click your base point and then drag over and then type in 2 and then enter. And then it'll stretch it the 2 inches or 2 units that you needed. So yeah, pretty simple concept here, but the trim and extend command is probably the most object modifying tool commands that I use. I use trim and extend religiously in AutoCAD. And in a way, it kind of helps you not have to be so precise when you're sketching things out until you get a basic idea of what you're trying to do. And then you can start cleaning it up, extending your lines, trimming it all away. So practice the trim and extend commands, because these two will be your best friend as long as you use AutoCAD. So if you guys wouldn't mind, smash that like button, click subscribe. It really helps the channel with YouTube algorithms and things like that. So yeah, thanks for stopping by.